Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. This lesson is for class 7 subject English. Students, in this lesson our topic is in Iqra Applied Grammar Book 2 lesson 4 past continuous tense. Students, before I explain the topic, first I will read the poem. The long cold winter away, a single red bird was singing yesterday. Through the mist peeked the sun. The squirrels were having great fun. Under the warmth the deer got thrill. All of them were mounting up the hill. Things looked fresh and green all around. The bees were making a buzzing sound. Students, the words that are written in bold form like was singing, were having, were mounting up, were making. Students, they are past continuous tense. What is past continuous tense? Students, past continuous tense is used to tell what was going on during a time in the past. पास्ट कॉन्टीन्यूस टेंस स्टूडेंट्स बेसिकली यूज़ होता है कि बात की जाए उन कामों के बारे में जो कि माजी के किसी भी वक्त हो रहे थे. उर्दू आइडेंटिफिकेशन विल बी दैट रहा था, रही थी एंड रहे थे. Students, sentence structure will be that subject plus was or were according to the subject. ठीक है, अगर subject I, he, she, it या singular noun हो then you will use was. और अगर आपके पास subject they, you, we या plural noun हो then you will use were plus first form of verb plus ing. Students, हम इसे present participle भी बोलते हैं. ठीक है, plus object. So subject plus was or were plus present participle plus object. This is the structure of simple or positive sentence. The negative sentence structure will be that we will write not after the auxiliary verb. We will add just not after the auxiliary verb like subject plus auxiliary plus not plus present participle plus object. So as you can see in the pic that for I, he, she and addition singular noun and it we will use was, and for we, you, they and in addition for plural noun we will use auxiliary were. For example, he was crying loudly in the morning. He was not crying loudly in the morning. You were swimming in the pool at 5 p.m. You were not swimming in the pool at 5 p.m. Practice portion exercise A. Look at the pictures and complete the sentences. As you can see the pictures, Maria and her father were fishing in the river. The boy was not doing his homework at home. The doctor was examining. This is word examining. The doctor was examining the patient yesterday. Khalid was not listening to the teacher in the class. The boys were playing volleyball in the yard. The athlete was not lifting the weight in the competition. Exercise B. Rewrite the sentences in past continuous tense by replacing today with yesterday. चूँकि students हम पास्ट कॉन्टीन्यूस टेंस को यूज़ करेंगे, ठीक है, देन वी विल रिप्लेस टुडे बाय yesterday. The birds are singing in the tree today. The birds were singing in the tree yesterday. टुडे की जगह हम yesterday यूज़ करेंगे, जबकि आर जो है हमारे पास वो प्रेजेंट कॉन्टीन्यूस टेंस को शो करता है, सो इसकी बजाय हम वर यूज़ करेंगे या वॉज यूज़ करेंगे. ठीक है, इस आर एम की जगह हम वॉज वर यूज़ करेंगे ताकि हमारे पास टेंस पास्ट कॉन्टीन्यूस फॉर्म में आए. ठीक है. The gardener is mowing the lawn today. The gardener was mowing the lawn yesterday. We are not waiting for the bus today. We were not waiting for the bus yesterday. They are wearing beautiful dresses for the party today. They were wearing beautiful dresses for the party yesterday. The maid is washing the carpet today. The maid was washing the carpet yesterday. You are not doing exercise today. You were not doing exercise yesterday. Extended practice. Look at the pictures and write what Soban was doing in the morning. Students, आप पिक्चर को देखें, ठीक है, and then write what Soban was doing in the morning. As you can see in the pic, students, you can see the pics and you can also watch the timings. You can see the timings easily. Soban was offering Fajr prayer at 5 a.m. Soban was reciting Quran at 5:30 a.m. Soban was running at 6 a.m. Soban was washing his hands at 7 a.m. According to the pic, you will make your sentences. Soban was eating breakfast at 7:30 a.m. Soban was going to school at 8 a.m. ठीक है, पिक की मदद से आपने अपने सेंटेंसेस बनाने हैं और लिखने हैं. वर्ड बैंक. Let's start to read the words. By this you will enhance your vocabulary. Eat lunch, do classwork, sit quietly, make breakfast, pack lunch, do the laundry, work in the kitchen, make a noise, play games, chat with each other, learn math, listen to the news, offer prayer, make a chart, explain the question, take a roll call, check homework, count numbers, wear a uniform, recite the Hizbul Azam. Learn to speak. Students, this is our first oral activity. Ask your partner about his or her and others doing in the past. You will ask these questions from your partner. Assalamu alaikum, walaikum assalam wa rahmatullah. What were you doing 30 minutes ago? What were your mother doing at 7 o'clock this morning? What were your friends doing in the break today? What was your father doing at 9 o'clock yesterday night? What was your teacher doing in the first period? Students, now tell the whole class about your partners and others doing in the past. Ask and reply. Students, for exercise A and B, you can also take the words. You can also take the help from word bank. Ask and reply. This is our second oral activity. Students, in this way, in this portion, we will try to give the answers in short way. Was I talking in the class? Yes, he was. Or no, he wasn't. Were they talking in the class? Yes, they were. No, they were not. In short way, you can give your answer. Were you studying English an hour ago? Were you playing football at 6 o'clock last evening? Were your friends having lunch during the break? Was your father reading a newspaper at 7 o'clock this morning? Was your mother mopping the floor yesterday afternoon? Students, आपने इसी शॉर्ट वे में इन क्वेश्चंस के आंसर देने हैं, ठीक है. Learn to write 6 sentences on what were you doing this morning. आपने इस मॉर्निंग क्या काम किया, ठीक है, उसके बारे में अपने 6 sentences पास्ट कॉन्टिन्यूअस फॉर्म में लिखने हैं. Write 6 sentences on what your family members were doing last night. For these questions, you can take the words from word bank, ठीक है. And आपने इस एक्टिविटी को अपनी रफ या एक्टिविटी कॉपी में लिखना है. Do this work in your Iqra Applied Grammar Book 2 and learn it.